Meaning of homophonous.
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 Homophonous. The word homophonous refers to something that has the same pronunciation as another word but has a different meaning. For example, bear and bear are homophonous because they sound the same but have different meanings. This phenomenon can occur in any language and can lead to confusion in communication if not properly addressed. In linguistics, homophones are studied as part of phonology, which deals with the study of sounds in language. Overall, understanding homophones is important for effective communication in both written and spoken language.